Hi everyone, hope you are good and excited for today's video. So the company is none other than Volkswagen. I'm sure you must have heard the name of this reputed German vehicle manufacturing company. And we'll be discussing everything from the job description, eligibility criteria, and the recruitment process in detail. So stay tuned. Let's move on to the recruitment process.
Coming to the recruitment process, Volkswagen offers the profile of graduate engineering training. The CTC that they are giving is 5 LPA. The eligibility criteria for Volkswagen are the branches that are eligible are CS, IT, and ENTC, HSC and SSC 60% above, and you should be having 6.75 CGPA and above in your BE BTech. There should be no live backlogs, but dead backlogs are acceptable. Now coming to the online test, the platform was Metal platform. The duration of the test was 90 minutes. There were nearly 30 to 40 MCQs and 2 coding questions. So the 30 to 40 MCQs consisted of quantitative abilities questions and technical questions related to your branch. And coming to the coding section, it was about easy to medium level. Now coming to the interview rounds. There were 2 rounds. First is technical and second was HR. The technical was around 30 to 40 minutes, which was completely resume based, and we will be discussing more detail with our guest. And there was final HR, which was just like a confirmation round. Let's discuss the whole process with our guest today in more detail.
Hi Ridhik, welcome to our channel and congratulations for cracking the placement for Volkswagen.
So thank you, Sanchita. Thank you, Devish.
So before we proceed, we can do a quick round of intro first, I guess.
Yeah, sure. So hello everyone, myself Ridhik Tilawat. So I am placed at Volkswagen IT Services as a graduate engineer trainee.
Congratulate Ridhik for cracking the placement for Volkswagen. We hope your experience helps others to do the same. So
thank you, Devish.
So if you could kindly share the details of the whole process, right? Starting from the initial rounds first.
Yeah, sure. So basically there were 3 rounds. The first one was conducted on Metal platform. So it consisted of 30 MCQs. Some of them were technical MCQs and some of them were aptitude MCQs, just the basic aptitude MCQs. Then there were 2 coding questions and we were given a list of languages to choose from.
Yeah. So regarding the first round, what was the duration of the round and how would you rate the difficulty of the round?
So the duration was of 1.5 hours and the level of difficulty was like intermediate.
And do you remember the coding questions? Which were the coding question and what was their difficulties?
It were the intermediate level, but I don't remember the specific questions.
Okay. So now coming to the interview section, how was the overall experience and what were the questions asked to you?
So the overall technical interviews experience was great. Like they started with their introduction, and after that there were resume specific questions. Then there were questions specific on projects, like what technologies we used and what were the problem statements and why we did that project. After that, they moved on to OOPS concepts, like basic OOPS concepts. Then after that, there were some DS questions. And also there was a problem given that was a Tower of Hanoi. And how would I solve it, using which data structure? And once I gave the answer, they again cross question about like if we can use another data structure like that. So after that, there were questions of certifications I did. Like they went very deep down into the details of the certifications. So make sure you mention all the truth in the resume. And yeah, that's it.
So basically, it was completely based on your resume and a little bit of their questions regarding DS and Algo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Were you asked to write the code or anything? Chat mein, aisa kuch?
Yeah, for the Tower of Hanoi, I was asked to write an algorithm or a pseudocode in the chat.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the only question where you were asked to write the algorithm in the chat, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay. So we can proceed to the HR interview then.
So the HR round was a telephonic round. So it consisted of basic HR questions. There were some situations given, and also I was asked my preferences.
Preferences
preferences.
regarding the job
What?
location. you mean.
Yeah, job location.
Okay.
Okay.
So what were the preferences that were given to you?
They have two offices. One is in Pune and one is in Gurgaon. So I opted for a Pune office.
Okay. So the HR
So-
round was just a confirmation round, and to
Yeah.
let you know which location you would like to prefer. Okay.
Yeah, and also the basic questions, HR questions.
Okay. Okay.
And if you can also summarize the whole timeline of the recruitment process. Yeah. So if you can also summarize the whole timeline of the recruitment process.
So the whole process took around 1 month duration. So the results were rolled out in batches. So I think I was in second batch. So it took around 1 month for me. So the interval between the aptitude test and the technical round was around of 1 week. So I got 4 or 5 days of time of preparation. And the duration, the interval between the technical round and the HR round was around of 2 weeks. And they informed me just in the morning about that I am having the HR round in the afternoon. So yeah, it was.
So Ridhik, are there any tips for our juniors before applying in Volkswagen?
So the tips I would give are you should have your basics clear. Like they ask too many basic questions, into deep that also. Then you should also refer to some websites. I would suggest a Glassdoor, as they are a automobile company. So there are very less questions you can get on the internet. So I suggest Glassdoor, and also in resume, don't fake your resume.
Okay, then thanks a lot, Ridhik. We really appreciate you taking out the time and coming to our channel and helping the juniors for their placement results.
Thank you for having me.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our content and channel. If you are new here, we'll be back next week with another exciting company. Bye bye. Take care.
Thanks. Bye bye.